Friends, let's other discuss of NTA-TPC NEET test at 2020-21 में लेटेस्ट अपडेट हुआ है। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट की बात करते हैं। गिवन बिलो आर सम प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ द ट्रांसपोर्ट मैकेनिज्म व्हिच ऑफ these are true for facilitated transport. Requires ATP energy? No. Highly selective in nature? Highly selective or not? This is correct. Uphill transport? Uphill transport is no. Not true. Requires a special membrane proteins? Yes. Transport is saturates? No. Question number 2. Species name is not used alone because option number C is correct. Same species name may be used with many genera. Question number 3. Incorrect पूछा है PCR टेक्निक के लिए. PCR technique was discovered by Carimoris. Yes. The options. The optimum temperature for the polymerization step in 72 degrees centigrade. Yes. Taq polymerase is obtained from the Thermus aquaticus. Aquaticus. Yes. Denaturation is PCR is done at 65, not 65, 95 degrees centigrade. This is also correct. Which of the following statements is not true regarding infections? Infections के लिए इसमें कौन सा नहीं सही है? For interference, it is a type of cytokine virus. Yes. Option number B, secreted by the virus infected cells. Yes. It is made up of fat. It is made up of protein. It is specific in nature. Yes. Question number 5. The Punnett squares given below shows the pattern of inheritance, a dihybrid cross where round capital R is dominated over wrinkled small r shades and yellow F is dominated over green Y is shade. Identify the odd one. Odd white, I think F is not, or F is odd. Yes, this is option number C is also correct. आप लोग पढ़ लीजिएगा. Question number 6. The unwinding of DNA creates tension by releasing the enzymes. Helicase, DNA polymerase? No. Option number 3 is also correct. Topoisomerase. Question number 7. Produced by somatic hybridization. Somatic यानी that means option number C is a fusion of isolated naked protoplast. Question number 8. Which of the following are microbes that are used to control pest under IPM? Integrated pest management for trichome. Dragonfly, yes. Ladybird, yes. Cock, cactoblast. But option number 3 is not. Option number 3 is also used for the trichoderma. It is a biofungicide which is the protector crop from the pest. Question number 9. Conservates. Conservates also colloid droplets as nucleoprotein containing entities. Yes. Question number 10. The use of biological resources by multinational companies and other organizations without proper authorization from the countries and people concerned without compensatory payment is known as biopiracy. True and false इसमें. In an aquatic food chain, pesticides such as DDT are metabolized at higher trophic level. This is false. Metal that have the density of 75 gram per centimeter cube are called heavy metals. Minamata disease is also developed due to mercury pollution in water. Yes. B and C are true. Defoam is a term related to oil spills pollution. No. Friend of Arcata masks. Question number 12. List some plant is as follow. Sphagnum, monocis, monosphagnum, Pinus, Cara. I think Sphagnum. Or are my Kensia? I think Cara, Pinus, and Sphagnum is also 3 are correct. Which of the following makes the uterus unsuitable for the implantation intrauterine devices? Which of the following statements is incorrect? Grasses are commonly pollinated by wind. Yes, this is correct. Bees are the most common biotic pollinating agent. Yes. Option number C. Pollen grains are sticky in wind pollinated flowers. This is not correct. Self incompatibility outbreeding advices. Yes. Question number 15. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks is the direct given of NCERT. यहाँ पर ए दिया है प्रोड्यूसर्स, जो बी दिया है कंज्यूमर्स, सी दिया है डेट्राइस डेट्राइटस और डी जो दिया है डिकम्पोजिशन. Question number 16. Which of the following is data is provided by the Red Data Book? Red Data Book is also used for the endangered plants and animals. How many structures in the list given below have 22 plus X chromosome is also given by ovum, secondary ooted, or I think oogonia is also third is also correct. Question number 18. In a dicotystem, secondary growth is the extrastellar. Reason is due to cork-cambium. Question number 19. A phylogeny refers to evolutionary history. Question number 20. From the following options, which is also disorder for the excretory system? Hematuria is also correct. इसमें होता क्या है कि यूरिन्स में ब्लड की कंटेंट आने लगती है. Question number 21. Which of the following is also wrong statements about the hyoid bone? Present wrong. Only one is number. Yes. U-shaped bone. Yes. Option number D. Not attached with any other bone of the body. Yes. Option number third. Present at the top of the buccal cavity is not top. It is lower side of buccal cavity. Question number 22. The root of radish and turnip are homologous organs. The cell junction that perform the cementing to keep neighboring cells together is also known as adhering junctions. Question number 24. Person suffering from hemophilia fail to produce blood clotting factors. Factor number 8. Yes. Third type of hemophilia is also present. A, B, and C. Hemophilia first is also factor number 8 and second is also factor number 9 and C is also factor number 11. And reasons: prothrombin producing platelets in such persons are found in very low concentration. This is not correct. First is also correct and option number third is also correct. Evolutionary important characters of the Selaginella. Selaginella is also seed habitat and heterosporous nature. Option number Question number 26. Indole acetic acid was the first isolated from the human urine. Question number 27. Which of the following structures is also equivalent to mitochondria in the prokaryotic cells? Mesosomes. Question number 28. It's a very long question, I think. पूछा गया correct answers using the codes in given below. Carbon dioxide compensation point of 0 to 10 ppm or relatively higher states of the photosynthesis. CO2 is also evolutions. Yes. Presence of well developed bundle sheath. No. Initial involvement of RUBP carboxylase in CO2 assimilation is also known. For option number D should be also correct. Everybody are also watch for explanation. Proper rate. And question number 29. The best exemplified for competitive coexistence is option number third is also 14 species of finches in Galapagos Island. Question number 30. Besides provide pink color in the roots nodules, leg hemoglobin performs the functions of option number A is also correct, protecting enzymes nitrogenase from the free oxygens. Question number 31. Respiratory volume or capacity are marked for correct. IC TV plus RV is not correct. VC minus ERV also correct. Vital capacity. Vital capacity is also EC plus IRV, and VC minus IRV is not correct. Option B is also correct. Choose the correct option of carbohydrate. Carbohydrate for galactose is also called brain sugar. Bivalent align on equator during metaphase first of the meiosis. Question number 34. A young infant may be feeding entirely on the mother's milk, which is the white in color, but the stool which is the infant passes out, it's quite yellowish. What is the what is this yellow color due to undigested milk, protein, casein? Yes, pancreatic juice poured into the duodenum, intestine juice, no. Bile pigments passed through the bile juice, yes, because bile juice also non-enzymatic digestive juice produced by the liver. Bile released in the duodenum consists of the bile salts, bile pigments, cholesterol, and phospholipids. Question number 35. The notocard-like structures of the hemichord, it is also called stomochord. Stomochord is also correct because stomochord is also next name of buccal diverticulum. Question number 36. The gap between two adjacent myelin sheath in myelinated neuron is also called a node of Ranvier. Option number 30 is also correct. Question number 37. In females, inhibin is secreted by granulosa and corpus luteum. Option number A is also correct. Question number 38. Zymosis is also called as fermentations. It's also discovered by the fermentation of pasture. Question number 39. In recombinant DNA technology, the term vector refers to as vector, an enzyme that cuts DNA into the restrictions fragment. Yes, the sticky ends of the DNA fragments is also not. So A is not. Option number C, a plasmid used to transfer DNA into a living cells. This is also correct. Question number 40. What percentage of the progeny is affected if a normal woman whose father was hemophilic marries a normal man? 25% sons are affected? No. For 25% of progeny is affected. 50% of sons are affected. 50% yes. This is the condition of hemophilic for factor number 8, and it is also a type of hemophilia, and option and B type hemophilia is also affected by 20%, and C type is also affected for 1%. Factor number 11 also responsible. Everybody are associated for this statement also read. For question number 41, which of the following events can change frequency of the genes and alleles in future generations? Mutation, yes. Gene recombination, gene flow, all of these also correct. Question number 42. Choose the option which is the true about El Nino effect. Option number first is also correct. Temperature rise lead to odd climatic changes. Question number 43. Which of the following is not a mode of transmission of AIDS? Option number first, multiple sex partner, yes, also transmit. Sharing infected needles, yes. Mosquito, but this is not for transmit of AIDS. Transmission of contaminated blood, yes. Option number A is also known as plumule. Fill in the blanks करना है. Plumule. B है cotyledon. और सी है हाइपोकोटाइल और डी है रेडिकल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 45, hymen is reliable indicator of virginity? No. A chromosome of a sperm contains several mitochondria. एक क्रोमोसोम में नहीं देखने को मिलता है, मिडिल रीजन में देखने को मिलते हैं, माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया पाए जाते हैं। आफ्टर फर्टिलाइजेशन कॉर्पस लूटियम ट्रांसफॉर्म्स इनटू द ग्राफियन follicles. No. The process of delivery of the fetus is also called gestation, is also known as parturition. Not anything are correct, यानी कि सारे के सारे गलत हैं। In lichen, phycobiont mainly belongs to green algae. Question number 47. Stem is modified in green fleshy cylindrical photosynthetic structures in also known as euphorbia. Question number 48. Decomposers belong to kingdom Monera, Protista and fungi. Option number C is also correct. Question number 49. Mark the incorrect statement regarding the digestive system of cockroach. Incorrect. Esophagus opens into the sac-like crop used for the storing food. Yes. Correct. Crop is also followed by the gizzard or proventriculus. This is correct. Gizzard had outer layer of the longitudinal muscles and thick inner cuticle forming it highly chitinous plate like teeth. This is not correct. Gizzard also help of grinding. आप लोग ये पढ़ लीजिएगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 50. Gametes are pyriform and bear two laterally attached flagella, is also Dictyota and Laminaria. This is the following diagram represent the isolation bacteria. Bacteria identify the incorrect statement of respect to incorrect. This is not properly seen. But first charge tRNA attach itself to the A site of ribosome, not A site. This is the also attach of P site. Last codon of mRNA in is a AUC. Ribosomes moves from the codon to the codon along the mRNA. The formation of peptide bond requires energy and is also catalyzed by peptide transferase. Question number 52. Correct sequence cellular growth stages: division, elongation, differentiation. Question number 53. Individuals suffer from what syndromes if he oblique she shows the following characters: sterile females, rudimentary ovaries, lack of secondary sexual characters. Is all characters of Turner syndrome. Turner syndrome is also responsible for trisomy. Question number 54. Mammals of colder areas generally have shorter extremities in comparison to the tropical mammals. Allen's rule. Option number D is correct. क्वेश्चन नंबर 55. 55 जो दिया है इसमें फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स करना है। ए है मोलस्का और बात करते हैं बी की, बी है अदर एनिमल्स और सी है क्रस्टेशियन। इसके लिए आई हैव अ ट्रिक इंडिया ऑफ माई कंट्री। क्वेश्चन नंबर 56. Genetically engineered rice with genes associated with the synthesis of carotenes was created by option number B is also correct. Ingo Portricus and Peter Bear. This is not given in NCERT. Question number 57. All members of fungi imperfecti Deuteromycetes groups lack sexual reproduction. Question number 58. Cheese is one of the most recent food items produced because of the activity of microbes. This is not recent. बहुत पुराना है food cheese. Different varieties of cheese are known by their characteristics, textures, flavor, and taste, and the specificity coming from the microbes. So this is correct. Question number 59. The C2 glycolate cycle is also known as PCO. Question number 60. When pollen tube enters by the micropyle, then the process is called progeny. Porogamy. Question number 61. The waxy material deposited in the Casparian strips of endodermis is also known as suberin. Question number 62. If a substance is rich in oxygen, then value of RQ respiratory quotient will be greater than 1. Question number 63. Which of the following statements also correct? Amniocentesis and CVS yani chronic villi sampling are the technique of detections of fetal disorder during the early pregnancy. Option number B, reproductive healthy refers to the healthy reproductive organs with normal functions. Yes, India was amongst the first country and in 1951 in the world to initiate actions plan and programs at the national level to attain total reproductive health. All of these are correct. Question number 64 associated with them. Cruciform corolla, tetradimerous condition also known. Four are longer and two are shorter. Presence of rhipium in ovary. This is character of Brassicaceae or cruciferi. क्रूसीफेरी का मेंबर है मस्टर्ड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 65. If blood pressure reads 140 and 140 by 90, also known as hypertension. Question number 66. Out of the following phenomena, find out the correct one that is not related to change during ecological succession. Increase in biomass, increase in humus content of soil, complex food, wave formation. Yes. Decrease in species diversity. Question number 67. In agar plate medium having bacteriophage and bacteria, there are clear transparent areas around the growth of bacteria. These areas are also called plaque. Question number 68. Heterozygous individual shows intermediate phenotype. Find the odd man out of the given condition is also known as stem height in pea plants. Question number 69. Which of the following force gland is correctly matched with the accompanying descriptions? Thyroid hyperactivity in young children cause cretinism. Option number B. Thymus starts undergoing atrophy after puberty. This is correct. Enzymatic reactions. फर्स्ट जो दिया है, फर्स्ट आल्सो नोन एज एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शंस without enzyme, but option number A is also given of endothermic reactions. Endothermic reaction. B is also given of endothermic reactions without enzymes. जो B दिया है ये endothermic reactions है with enzymes, with the presence of enzymes. Question number 71. Which structures help in the transport of substance to and from the embryo? Umbilical cord is also correct. Question number 72. Chromosomes are best observed at the metaphase. For studying the shape, the best stage is also known as anaphase. Question number 73. Shark, the mouth and nares are ventral and ventral. Question number 74. Consumption of alcohol may lead to which of the following is also known as lowering of blood glucose level in food? Synthesis of fat in liver, accumulation of acetaldehyde in liver. All of these are correct. Question number 75. Marginal placentation is also रिलेट फॉर पी प्लांट। फिर बात करते हैं एक्साइल प्रेजेंटेशन इज आल्सो गिवन इन चाइना रोज फ्री सेंट्रल फॉर फ्री डीबी यानी कि डायंथस बेसल फॉर मायरी गोल्ड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 76 cerebral hemisphere is the center of thinking, will, power, reasoning, all of these. Question number 77 production of apomictic embryo from cells of nucleus or integument is also called as parthenocarpino, sporophytic budding, yes, adventative embryo। ए को छोड़कर बाकी सारे सही हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 78 which of the following hormones is not steroid? Vasopressin is not steroid. Testosterone, androgens, aldosterone also known as steroid. Not steroid. Vasopressin is steroid. बाकी testosterone, androgens, aldosterone also steroid. Nature of hormone. फिर क्वेश्चन नंबर 79 the following nucleic acid is also present in an organism having both 80S and 70S ribosome, single stranded circular DNA with histone, double stranded circular DNA without histone, single stranded linear DNA without histone, double stranded linear DNA with histone, no. Question number 80. What will you look for to identify the sex of following? Option number D. Males are claspers born on the pelvic fins. Question number 81. Amphipathy means presence of polar and non-polar in the same molecules. Question number 82. Which of the following is the factor that does not contribute to the evolution process according to the modern synthetic theory of evolution? Inheritance of acquired characters. This is also basic concept of Lamarckism. Question number 83. Sal, teak, tendu, khair and chironji are the common trees of which of the following in Indian biomes? Tropical deciduous forest. Question number 84. Which one of the following has haplontic life cycle? Astilago. Yes. Everybody has seen. मैंने इस पर एक शॉर्ट ट्रिक बना रखी है हैप्लॉन्टिक डिप्लॉन्टिक या हैप्लोडिप्लॉन्टिक के सारे एग्जाम्पल याद करने के लिए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 85 सिंगल चॉइस हाउ मेनी लिंकेज ग्रुप इन ह्यूमन विथ क्रोमोसोमल composition of Jacob's syndrome for 24? Question number 86 following statement select the correct options. Vein provide rigidity to the leaf blade and acts as the channel of transport for water, mineral and food material. Yes, leaves of most of the dicotyledonous plant leaf PS vein that run parallel to each other. This is not correct. Option number A is correct, but option B is also correct because correct option is also question number 87. Senility is unhealthy state of the paramecium in which overall activities of the animalcule become sluggish and paramecium is likely to die. It is due to repeated binary fission. It is not given in direct NCERT. Question number 88. What are monoclonal antibodies? Monoclonal bind to the same epitope of an antigen. एक्सप्लेनेशन आप लोग देख लीजिए। क्वेश्चन नंबर 89 cylindrical lenses are used in which of the following defect? Glaucoma, myopia, hypermetropia and Antimagnetism is also common imperfections in the eye of curvatures. Eye is curved differently in one direction than the other, और इसका सिम्टम्स है ब्लरी विजन। इसमें होता क्या है कि एक साइड में आँख थोड़ी झुक जाती है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 90 इन pyrimidines and nitrogen is at 1,3 position in its own ring। एग्जाम्पल आप लोग पढ़ लीजिएगा। आई होप everybody are understood for this test। This is easy to NCERT level। Thanks watch for this video। I hope everybody are like this video।